Hello everybody, today I like to show how to replace the holder of the sliding door. That's a sliding door. We need to replace the holder. The holder is stuck. It's very hard to open and make noise. Is the problem the one inside, not out. ចឹងកម្មវិធីនេះថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំបង្ហាញនៅរបៀបដូរកង់កញ្ចក់ទ្វារក្រោយនេះវាមានបញ្ហាកង់វាអត់សូវនឹងល្អវាអត់សូវ smooth វាអត់សូវរលោងវាអត់សូវល្អហើយនេះយើងត្រូវការដោះចេញដូរកង់ថ្មី On this side, they have a screw inside. They just remove it and drop the slide door down. You'll be able to lift the window out. And do the same thing on the other side. The screws inside there is a square. So I'm using square. So to lower down the sliding door, this side you mold you turn to the left side to drop the sliding door down. គឺថាយើងមូលចុះទៅខាងឆ្វេងដៃណាដើម្បីឲ្យកញ្ចក់លម្អិលហ្នឹងវាចុះមកក្រោមវិញណាឥឡូវឃើញចុះណាយើងធ្វើមកខាងទៀតដូចគ្នាអញ្ចឹងwe're going to do the other side the same thing. We're going to slide on this side. All right. Okay. You move to the right to drop down. យើងមូលទៅខាងស្ដាំដៃដើម្បីឲ្យវាទ្វារកញ្ចក់ហ្នឹងវាធ្លាក់ចុះក្រោមនេះណាក្រោមណាឥឡូវវាកំពុងចុះហើយឥឡូវចុះអស់ហើយខាងក្រោមនេះណាដើម្បីយើងលើកអាហ្នឹងចេញមកវិញបាន Okay so we're gonna remove lifting the sliding door out from the trap so we can see what kind of roller that we need to replace. Okay, but check your crown and control. That is out now. That's how we take it off. Okay, let's put that there right now. So we're going to flip it and look at the bottom of the roller, what kind of roller is in there. And you see the roller, that's the one there. That's the roller. We need to remove that one out. In order to take it out, we have to remove this side up so we can release the old roller. So they have a screw on the side there. See this one? Alright. It's a square. វាជ្រុងយើងមូលខ្យល់ចេញមកមិនយើងអាចដកនេះបានហើយនេះយើងដំវានេះមកយក plastic hammer ហើយនឹងប្រើឈើចុងមកដើម្បីកុំឲ្យបែកកញ្ចក់យើងដំវាមកចេញមកយើងអាចយក roller ចាស់ចេញមកបានហើយដើម្បីយើងមើលតើ order មួយនោះឲ្យត្រូវបើវា Yeah, so now okay so that's a roller we need to move it out so we can take it to Home Depot to replace to buy a new one. So we take the screw from here from the back from inside here we have to take the whole thing out and then take the screw here and with the roller we drop it off មូលខ្ចៅវាទៅវាធ្លាក់ចុះមកហើយណាយើងអាចយកវាទៅ Home Depot ដើម្បីទិញថ្មីមកដាក់ That's it okay. That's the old one so take the Home Depot to buy a new one this is how you do put the back you screw on the back here Alright. Okay, we adjust it. Sure the water is slide. After you're done, adjust the screw on the bottom, both sides. You can slide, check the door to make sure it's level. Okay, you can see between there. Make sure it's level. Nếu bên là dương mua xài cái kháng crom nữa, ở phía smart tới, và mới ở phía xuống, rồi dương mưa, ở phía smart kia. Nè mưa và lò bé bà cái này là lơ dân tới là càng khổ có đôi cái này chân đời ok mà này ta riêng thứ ba lọ hơi okay we done the window nice and smooth. I hope you can do it yourself at home. This is a home improvement. Do it yourself. ខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាបងប្អូនអាចធ្វើខ្លួនឯងបានហ្នឹងហើយ See you next time and ជួបគ្នាថ្ងៃក្រោយ